Okay, so let's do a quick review. Let's not forget some of the things that you have to remember about, the Industrial Revolution. Um, Remember that most of the factories, number one, were in the north, and so as you can see in this map right here, most of the factories in the north, and the biggest reason why was because they had quick or swift flowing rivers. Don't forget all the technology innovations that they made. The cotton gin made cotton making more efficient, and of course the big thing about the cotton gin is it completely changed the South. The cotton gin means they're going to make more cotton, so they're going to want more slaves. Why? Because they want to make more money. Um, and the Erie Canal, very important thing that happened there. Um, Remember, and you can see here, it goes straight across the state of New York, right? It goes straight across the state of New York right here. And then you can see here on this map, it's kind of might be small to see if I don't know how big it's going to make it look on your screen there, but across the state of New York, there's factories. Okay, and the reason why is because it's just easier to travel on water back then, and so they were able to get their stuff out to market a whole lot faster, a whole lot more efficient. So you got to remember that cities popped up all over the Erie Canal. Why? Because there's a factory. Where there's a factory, there's a city. Um, let's see. You can't forget the Missouri Compromise. That was all about. Now, number one, it's a compromise. It's got to be about slavery. And this one has to do between a slave state and free state. They wanted to keep the balance of power. They wanted to keep the power balanced between slave state and free state. As you can see here, the slave states and the free states. So they added Maine, and then they added Missouri, of course, as a slave state, and that just kept everything balanced between the two regions. Um, and don't forget, the key word for Monroe Doctrine is Europe. You may not colonize the Americas. If you colonize the Americas, we'll consider it an attack on us. And but if you leave them alone, we'll leave you alone. Okay? And that's all I got for you today. Do the quiz. It's only 5 questions. If you need the quiz read to you, um, let me go. Let me bring this over here. You have this little play button here, and all you gotta do is click the play button, and it will have me read it to you, like a normal quizzes do. Remember, you are not finished until you have finished the quiz. That quiz is going to be for the grade, including the participation grade. So get it done, and we're going to do another Nearpod tomorrow like this, and we'll see you then. So take it easy.